have a dog?
I have a dog, but my Aunt Sue also has a dog. And I had got her some gifts, and I'm like, what can I get her dog? And I found it. I got her the cutest blanket on the planet to put on her bed. Is this not the cutest? I'm talking about the cutest. I was shocked about how affordable these were. Y'all have got to go on there and check these out. Look how cute. It's like a 3D print. So if you want to make your dog's corner look even cozier, grab one of these. They're very affordable and they are very cute. And I had to get my girl something. I got my Aunt Sue something, and I was like, I gotta get the doggy something. Like, she's part of the family too. And when I seen this, I was like, yes. So this is gonna be her new blankie. And I ain't gonna tell Bailey, because Bailey will be jealous, and now she'll be wanting her own too. But if you guys like it, check it out right there. If you guys know anybody that has a dog and they think the world of their dog, this would be a really cute gift to get for their dog. And the 3D on it, it makes it look like it's a fluffy comforter. It's so cute. Very affordable. I love it. Very soft. I'd sleep with it, and I ain't a dog.